So we got our birthday countdown working. Notice it's ticking quite nicely. It tells me, my birthday is 61 days, 7 hours, 44 minutes, 14 seconds, 13 seconds, 12 seconds away, and so on and so forth. The question now is, how can I make it all happen as though it's in fact, on the same exact line? The answer is actually very simple. I can use escape characters. In particular, I will use an escape character of \r. So what I'm going to do is to say end equals to \r. Now make sure you put the \r, because that, not the forward slash. \r takes, is the right one. What it does is that it's a carriage return, so it takes you back to the same row and then prints this whole thing once again. Now with this, we can see this working. If I, let's say, run this again, so I come in here, it says which year were you born in, so I said I say 1987. That's all right. Say, for example, let's say this time around I'll say 12 and say 12. Right, so now my next birthday is 11 days, 7 hours, 43 minutes, 21 seconds, 20 seconds, and so on away. You can clearly see that the same line is working. The reason is because, is printing on the same line because of this \r. So it prints one line and then it goes back to the beginning, prints the next line, and so on and so forth, and hence we get this pretty cool countdown effect coming in. I hope you found this useful. Take care. Thank you so much.